Hello guys, good morning. So today, I'm here in Tesco. Mamimili ng grocery para sa client ko. So, let's look for it. For the food na bibilin ko para sa client ko. Actually, it's not really necessary for us to buy para sa client namin, but it's a good as well, parang good deeds na rin na bibilan mo yung client mo if may gusto sila na ipabili. Parang lang ba, tulong din sa kasi hindi yung client na to hindi na siya nakakalabas at ayaw rin niyang lumabas, kaya ayun, papabili siya ng mga pagkain. Nakakainis lang, sobrang bang naguguluhan ako. Hindi ko manap-hanap. May mga naman siya. May mga, tingnan nyo sa likod sa taas may mga label lang. Pero hindi ko talaga manap-hanap yung lugar dito. Yung saan ko bibili, nakakainis. So the first one is this Cadbury fish fingers naman din. Cadbury Dairy Milk fingers. So I got three. Alright, first item. Okay, up to next. And now he asked me for this one. Actually, I got one. I got some of this last time, but he needs one extra, so I'll get him this. So I now get some water. Ito yung specific na water na gusto niya eh. So we'll get this one. Okay, three done. So more to go. Minsan nakakainis pag nandito ako, napapabili ako nung wala sa oras. Yun yung Krispy Kreme. Because malaki na yung tiyan ko. Kakainis. So now this one, hindi ko alam kung anong flavor yung gusto niya. Oh my gosh, I'm not sure if it's blueberry or multi-fruit or raspberry, but based on sa gusto niya, like niya yung raspberry, so I assume na ito yung gusto niya. Bahala siya. Now last one is newspapers. I'm not sure which newspaper would get, but I assume na sabi niya kasi local and national, so yun yung kunin natin. So I'm here at the newspaper stand. I think this is a new this is the national one, the Daily Mail. I'm not sure. The Daily Telegraph, the Guardian. Ito Ito local to eh. Bristol Post. Ito yung local. Kuha ko ng isa dito. Ito kuha isa. Diyan ka. And then I'm not sure. Should I get Daily Mail, the Daily Telegraph, or the Guardian, or the Times? I guess I would get this one. Mukhang makapal siya. Makapal ang mukha. That's it. Oh gosh. Yan. I think okay na to lahat. So okay na ako. I'm done shopping for my client. So I'm going to pay now. I'm done shopping para sa client ko. So balik na ako sa car. Oh gosh. Malaki ng test ko na to Ang gulo-gulo. So bababa na ako. Maghagdan lang ako para exercise. Puro nilang ko upo nito. Yeah. So that's all for today video. And remember, kindness knows no boundaries. So see you again next time. Charis.